This is Avinash Dharmadhikari, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mumbai Police. On the eve of 74th Independence Day, I congratulate you all. You are aware, we celebrate this day to remember and to pay respect to the supreme sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. In 1757, British won the battle at Plassey and their domination was started in our country. They ruled our country for almost 200 years. Eventually, after a long battle, we got independence on 15th August 1947. You must be aware, recently we are facing a big crisis of corona pandemic. Mumbai Police fighting this war against corona to its best capability. In this fight, we lost lives of many officers and staff, but still we are fighting it. We are aware that this corona infection can cause a lot of problem to even our family members. In spite of that, all officers and staff, even ladies constable and ladies officers, have taken great risk to fight against this corona. Our efforts were well appreciated by the common people. Our whole image totally changed. The place where I am posted is in South Mumbai, Dongri area. Our area is densely populated. So maintaining a social distancing was a big task and very difficult task. In the beginning, we used public announcement system to make aware the people about the importance of this social distancing. We try to reach to them through social media also. We use all the innovative measures to make them aware of importance of social distancing. In some area, we have made an announcement through drone cameras also. Drones for loudspeaker and drone cameras. But some people were reluctant to cooperate with the administration. So sometimes we have to use some sort of other tactics to control them. We have shifted vegetable market to the open space so that the crowd control can be possible. Then we have placed Nakabandi at almost 4 to 5 places. Nakabandi was deployed to stop all types of vehicular traffic. Some religious places were forcefully closed. You must have seen in social media where one place which we closed, where 400 people were offering prayers, which was quite dangerous for their health and health of the society. Then come the main problem of migrant workers. You must be knowing thousands of migrant workers were dispatched from Mumbai to their native place in train. Like that, 850 migrant workers were stranded in Dongri area. We look after them for almost 1.5 months. With the help of BMC and with the help of NGO, we provided them 2 times meal, morning breakfast. It was done by the police. After almost 1.5 months, when train were started by the government, we dispatched them to their native place in Andhra Pradesh. When they sat in train, they were in tears. They thanked police. I remember one incident where 70 years old person was taken to hospital by his son. When he reached to the hospital, doctor told him that he is infected with the corona. That time just corona was started and there were very misconception about the corona. So that son, what he did, he bring his dad to his building where they were residing. He drop him at the ground floor, locked his room and straight away run away from there, that place. Eventually police were informed. Our officers reached there. We called BMC officers and we admitted him to the Kasturba hospital. After 8 to 10 days, he fully recovered. So during this corona crisis, we got all types of experiences. Few people definitely come to us. Directly they come to my office and appreciated. As far as myself is concerned, I was staying in my office for 15 days just to avoid any infection reach to my home. I don't want to create any trouble for my family. So I was staying in my office only. During that period, we have taken a lot of risk. We controlled the crowd. Huge crowd was there. Sometimes there were even when migrant workers we were sending to their native places. At CST at one time there were 10 to 12,000 people gathered. Unfortunately, few trains were cancelled, and it was very risky work. But unfortunately, we have carried out it, and everything was over now. Almost this war is getting over. I am hoping today some good news will appear about the invention of vaccine on the eve of this Independence Day. Let's hope. Till then, I will appeal you as a student. You can play a very vital role in controlling this epidemic. You can compel your parents, friends, and your relatives to stay in home only. Don't allow them to go out. Unnecessarily, they should not step out of their house. For any emergency, if they want to go out, see that they should wear mask, they should maintain social distancing and other instructions given by the administration. Like that, if every student control his or protect his home from corona infection, then the day will come where we will conquer this war against corona. Anyway, I thank school administration for giving me this opportunity to interact with the students, and I wish you happy Independence Day. Have a great day. Jai Hind.